If you're tired of spending your precious free time standing over the kitchen sink scrubbing a mounting pile of plates in a tiny apartment, dorm, or RV, you already know the frustration of not having space for a standard machine. This Hermitlux portable countertop dishwasher is designed to give you your evenings back without forcing you to deal with permanent plumbing or messy hose adapters. The biggest problem it solves is simple setup and flexibility. It features a 5-liter built-in water tank, meaning you just fill it up manually, plug it into a regular outlet, and run it wherever you have counter space. It comes with 7 washing programs, giving you plenty of options depending on whether you're doing a quick rinse on wine glasses or a heavy-duty cycle on baked-on dinner plates. I also really like the interior LED light and the glass door window. They sound like small details, but they make it super easy to check on your load or see when a cycle is finished without guessing. Things to consider before you buy. As with any mini countertop unit, space is limited. It's built for daily essentials like mugs, bowls, and plates, so you won't be fitting massive mixing bowls or oversized pots inside. You'll also want to measure the vertical clearance between your counter and upper cabinets to make sure the door and top clearance work smoothly when loading and unloading. So, who is this really for? This is an absolute must-have for singles, couples, or anyone in a temporary living situation who wants clean dishes without a complicated installation. If you're feeding a large family every night, the capacity will simply be too small to keep up with your needs. Is it worth the money? If you value your time and want a reliable, plug-and-play way to ditch the dish sponge for good, it's an incredible value. If this looks like the right fit for your home, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who hates doing dishes, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.